Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog toothbrushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSmile Professional Pet Toothbrush. For various reasons, I've chosen PetSmile's dual-end toothbrush as my number 1 dog toothbrush. The patented 45-degree brush head removes debris and bacteria from your dog's teeth and gums from hard-to-reach places that other standard brushes might miss. The angled bristles help polish and clean too. There is a small and large brush on either end, which is handy for finding the best fit for your small or large pup. Or, if you have 2 pets, you can use the smaller end for your smallest pet and the larger side for your largest pup. This toothbrush has a comfortable and ergonomic handle with textured grips. This provides owners with a secure hold, which means better cleaning for their dogs. Only a few owners found that the large end was too large for their pup, but thankfully, the smaller end means this shouldn't be an issue. It's also great value for money. You can pair this with PetSmile's toothpaste, the only toothpaste recommended by the Veterinary Oral Health Council. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LOOBANI Dog Teeth Cleaning Kit. LOOBANI's sonic electric toothbrush uses sonic technology to remove plaque and tartar from their teeth effectively. This electric dog toothbrush vibrates 12,000 times per minute, which is ideal for dogs with sensitive teeth. It also has 3 modes: soft, normal, and massage, which is excellent for different cleaning needs. The inclined bristles help to reach around your dog's entire tooth. This toothbrush has 2 heads, which is great for multi-pet households or when you need to update your pup's toothbrush. It also comes with a tooth scraper, a silicone finger brush, and a USB charger. This fast-charging toothbrush has great reviews and is IPX7 waterproof. Only a few reviews mention that some pups found the humming sound off-putting. At number 3, we have the Beaver Toothbrush and Toothpaste Kit. If you're looking for the best dog toothbrush and paste, this dog toothbrush and toothpaste dental kit is my top choice. I use this for my dogs, and they both get on well with the toothbrush heads, which has been an issue with other toothbrushes. It has 2 ends, one with a larger brush and the other with a smaller head, so it's suitable for all dog sizes. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable, with a raised rubber grip, so it's easy to use. Each head has different length bristles, which help to get into the gaps between each tooth, giving you extra cleaning power. Beaver's toothpaste is liver-flavored, and most dogs enjoy the taste. Thanks to the enzyme action, the paste fights against plaque and prevents the formation of tartar, resulting in fresher breath. It's great value for money too. Some reviews mention that although it's great that it doesn't smell of liver, their dog didn't show any interest in it. At number 2, we have the Vet's Best Dog Toothpaste and Toothbrush. I know there's so much to consider when raising a puppy, so I have chosen a puppy toothbrush and paste kit. The triple-headed toothbrush cleans your pup's teeth from all angles, making teeth cleaning much more effective than a flat toothbrush. This 3D pet toothbrush soothes irritated teeth and gums during the teething stage. The rubber brush with raised grips makes handling and brushing your excitable pup's teeth easier for you too. This toothpaste has a natural peanut butter flavor, which most dogs go crazy for. It uses nature's best ingredients with a hint of baking soda for a deep clean and contains no artificial colors or flavors. The paste freshens their breath and gently cleanses them to help remove plaque and tartar. Only a few owners report that their pup had an upset tummy after using this product. However, this is a rare side effect, and most other users say their dogs love it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pet Republique Small Toothbrush. Pet Republique's mini toothbrush is one of the smallest brush heads on the market, so I have picked it as the best dog toothbrush for small dogs. It is designed for pets weighing under 20 pounds, with smaller mouths and cramped teeth. The brushes can also be used for cats and puppies. Each pack, either 3 or 6, offers yellow and black brushes so you can color coordinate for different pets. The bristles are tough enough to remove plaque, but soft enough to keep your small dog comfortable. The plastic handle has grooves to help you grip the brush. If you aren't happy with your purchase, the seller states they will replace your toothbrush or offer you a full refund within 60 days. Plus, they donate 15% of their profits to dog shelters nationwide, so you are improving your dog's dental health and helping other dogs in need too. Pet Republique sells an extra small toothbrush kit if you need an even smaller toothbrush. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.